Now we have a piece of sweet potato, so high in carbohydrate but healthy type. Baked in oven as well. Actually, I bake it together with the chicken breast. So to tell the truth, save time, save energy. So you have time for more important things in life. Let's open it up. So same thing, 175 degrees and thereabout, but I bake it for a longer time. It's about 45 minutes. For such a piece of potato, sweet potato, you might like to bake it for a bit longer, right, just to be sure. Okay. I bake it with the skin. Of course, I'll wash thoroughly before I do that. You see that? I accidentally make the heart and it just went right through. Oh, it smells heavenly. And down the middle. Alright. Beautiful. This is just so well done. Ah, smell. Ah, this is great. It's piping hot as well. Fresh out from the oven. This is a Indonesian sweet potato. Supposed to be good for baking. I sometimes steam it without the skin. But I believe this to be tastier. Yeah. Feels good. It's good. It's a bit hot now. Shall I just have a taste? Okay. Whoa, it's piping hot. Sheesh. Oh, I need to let it cool down for a while first. If I can catch the steam. Can you see it? Does it focus? Cover my face now. So, yeah. Let's have a taste. The thing about sweet potato is, it's true to its name, it's so sweet. I do not need to add any type of seasoning at all. So soft. A lot of sweet potatoes, sometimes they have this stringy veins running through the flesh. But this one, excellent. This is really good. This is the gold standard of sweet potato. So again, it's a simple thing you can do at home. And together with the chicken breast I introduced to you just now, it's a healthy meal that costs reasonably cheap as well. But the best thing is, it tastes healthy, and it is healthy. Okay, I'll finish out my meal here. In the meantime, have a pleasant day and see you next time. That's so late. And we are done here. Yeah, what the heck.